And we have liftoff. Okay, get some air, get some air, get off the ground, get off the ground, up in the air. Okay, that's nice, stable. Okay, nice day, sure. Little open area, not so much. Watch out for the tree. No, watch out. Okay, go, the big area over there. Go for the middle, go for the middle. Come on, go for the middle. Get away from that tree. Watch that tree. Okay, now we got it. Look at all that. Oh crap, I'm getting dizzy. Whoa. Crap, flying backwards. That's not so easy. Watch out. Don't hit the old man. Oh, don't hit the garage. Don't hit the guy. Okay, don't hit the truck. Back up. Oh, there's the old man again. Don't hit him. Oh, shit. Okay, watch the truck. Okay, now you're open. Hey, turn me around. I'm getting dizzy. Okay, that's better. Okay, open space, open space. Not so much. This is Pete's yard. Don't get in Pete's yard. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. Oh, watch that. Oh, shit. Watch the tree again. Damn it. Okay, all right, get some altitude up here. Okay, don't make me dizzy. Okay, open space. That's good. Okay. Oh, not so much. This is Pete's gonna get pissed. Get out of here. Okay, that's better. Okay. Oh, geez, not so far, not so fast. Watch the wind. Okay. What's over there? What's the old man again? God damn it. Okay, now we got it. Now we got it. Okay, we're good. Look at all that open space we got. Oh, let's go for the open space. Come on. What? Where are you going? What's going on now? Okay, want to look over there? That's fine. Okay, look at the truck. Okay, how pretty. Don't hit the damn truck. I'm going backwards again. Dadgummit. What's going on? Oh, shit, I need to land this thing. I need to land. Okay, that's a good land.